'Tis strange, my Theseus, that these lovers speak of.
More strange than true, I never may believe these antique fables nor these fairy toys. The lunatic, the lover, and the poet are of imagination all compact. One sees more devils than vast hell can hold. That is the madman. The lover, all is frantic, sees Helen's beauty in a brow of Egypt. The poet's eye, in fine frenzy rolling, doth glance from heaven to earth, and earth to heaven. And as imagination bodies forth the forms of things unknown, the poet's pen turns into shapes and gives airy nothing a local habitation and a name. Such tricks have strong imagination that if it would but apprehend some joy, it comprehends some bringer of that joy, or in the night imagine some fear. How easy is a bush supposed to bear?
But all the story of the night told over, and their minds transfigured so together more witnesseth than fancy's images, and grosses something of great constancy, but howsoever strange and admirable.
Ah, here come the lovers full of joy and mirth. Joy, gentle friends, joy and fresh days of love accompany our hearts.
More than to us wait in your royal walks, your board, your bed.
Come now, what masks, what dances shall we have to wear away this long age of 3 hours between our after supper and our bedtime? Where is our usual manager of mirth? Call Philostrate.
Here, mighty Theseus.
Say, what abridgment have you for this evening? What mask, what music? How shall we beguile the lazy time if not with some delight?
There is a brief how many sports are ripe. Make choice of which your highness will see first.
The battle with the centaurs to be sung by an Athenian eunuch to the harp. We'll have none of that. A tedious brief scene of young Pyramus and his love Thisbe. Very tragical mirth. Merry and tragical, tedious and brief. There it is. Hot ice and wondrous strange snow. How shall we find the concord of this discord?
There was a play, my lord, some 10 minutes long, which is as brief as I have known a play, but by 10 words, my lord, it is too long, which when I saw rehearsed, I must confess, made mine eyes water, but more merry tears the passion of loud laughter never shed.
What are they that do play it?
Hard-handed folks that work in Athens here, which never labored in their minds till now.
And we will hear it.
No, my lord, it is not for you. I have heard it over. It is nothing in the world.
I will hear that play. Never anything to be amiss when simpleness and duty tender it. Go, bring them in, and take your places, lovers.
I love not to see wretchedness o'ercharged, and duty in his service perishing.
My gentle sweet, you shall see no such thing.
He says they can do nothing in this kind.
The kind are we to give them thanks for nothing. Our sport shall be to take what they mistake. Love, therefore, and tongue-tied simplicity, and least speak most to my capacity.
So please, your grace, the prologue is addressed.
Let them approach.
Gentles, perchance you wonder at this show, but wonder on till truth make all things plain. This man is Pyramus, if you would know. This man, this beauteous lady Thisbe is certain. This man with lime and rough cast doth present wall of that vile wall, which did these lovers sunder, and through walls chink to the poor souls they are content to whisper. At which let no man wonder, this man with lantern, dog, and bush of Dolorn presenteth moonshine. For if you will know by moonshine did these lovers think no scorn to meet Highness's tomb. There to woo this grisly beast, which lion hight by name, the trusty Thisbe, coming first by night did scare away, or rather did affright, and as she fled her mantle did fall, and which lion with bloody mouth did stain, and on comes Pyramus, sweet youth and tall, and finds his trusty Thisbe's mantle slain, whereat with bloody, blameful blade, he bravely broached his boiling, bloody breast, and Thisbe, tarrying in mulberry shade, his dagger drew and died. For all the rest let lion, moonshine, wall, and lovers twain at large discourse, while here they do. Remain.
I wonder if the lion be to speak.
No wonder, my lord, one lion may when many asses do.
In this same interlude it doth befall that I, one snout by name, present a wall, and such a wall as I would have you think, that had it in a crannied hole, or chink, through which the lovers Pyramus and Thisbe did whisper often very secretly, this loam, this rough cast, and this stone doth show that I am that same wall, the truth is so. And this the cranny is, right and sinister, through which the fearful lovers are to whisper.
Would you desire lime and stone to speak better?
It is the wittiest partition that ever I heard discourse, my lord.
Pyramus draws near the wall. Silence.
O grim, look at night. O night, with you so black. O night, whichever art, when day is not. O night, alack, alack, alack. I fear my Thisbe's promise is forgot. On thou, O wall, O sweet and lovely wall, that standest between her father's ground and mine. Thou wall, O sweet and lovely wall, show me thy chink to blink through with mine eye. Oh, thanks, courteous wall. Jove shield thee well for this. But what I see? No Thisbe do I see. O wicked wall, through whom I see no bliss. Cursed be thy stones for thus deceiving me.
Wall, methinks, being sensible, should curse again.
Oh, no, in truth, sure, he should not. Deceiving me is Thisbe's cue. She is to enter now, and I am to spy on her through the wall. You shall see it. It will fall pat, as I told you. Yonder, here she comes.
O wall, full often hast thou heard my moans for parting my fair Pyramus and me. My cherry lips have often kissed thy stones with lime and hair knit up in thee.
I see a voice. Now will I to the chink to spy, and I can hear my Thisbe's face. Thisbe!
My love? Thou art my love, I think.
Think what thou wilt, I am thy lover's grace. Oh, kiss me through the hole of this vile wall.
I kiss the wall's hole, not your lips at all.
Wilt thou at Ninny's tomb meet me straightway?
Tide life, tide death, I come without delay.
Thus have I, wall, my part discharged so, and being done, thus wall awaiteth go.
Now there's a mural down between the two neighbors.
This is the silliest stuff that ever I heard.
The best in this kind are but shadows, and the worst are no worse if imagination amend them.
It must be your imagination then, and not theirs.
Ah, here come two noble beasts in, man and a lion.
You, ladies, whose gentle hearts do fear the smallest monstrous mouse that creeps on floor, may now perchance both quake and tremble here, when lion rough in wildest rage doth roar. Then know that I, one snug the joiner, am a lion fell, or else no lion's dam. For if I should, as lion, come in strife into this place, 'twere pity on my life.
A very gentle beast of a good conscience.
The very best of a beast, my lord, that e'er I saw.
This lantern doth the horned moon present. Myself, the man in the moon, do seem to be.
But this is the greatest error of all the rest. The man should be put into the lantern. How is it else the man in the moon?
Well, he dares not come there for the candle.
I am aweary of this moon, would he would change.
But yet in courtesy and all reason we must stay the time.
Proceed, Moon.
All that I have to say is to tell you that this lantern is the moon, I the man in the moon. This thorn bush, my thorn bush, and this dog, my dog.
Why, all these should be in the lantern. For all these are in the moon. But silence, here comes Thisbe.
This is old Minnie's tomb. Where is my love?
Well roared, lion.
Well run, Thisbe.
Well shown, moon. Truly, the moon shines with a good grace.
Well moused, lion.
So the lion vanished.
And then came Pyramus.
Sweet moon, I thank thee for thy sunny beams. I thank thee, moon, for shining now so bright. For by thy gracious golden, glittering gleams, I trust to take of truest Thisbe's sight. But stay, O spite, but mark, poor knight, what dreadful dole is here. Eyes do you see? How can it be? Oh, dainty duck, oh dear, thy mantle good, what stained with blood? Approach ye furies, fell. Oh, fates, come, cut thread and thrum, quail, crush, conclude, and quell.
This passion and the death of a dear friend go near to make a man look sad.
Be true, my heart, but I pity the man.
Oh, wherefore nature didst thou lion's frame? Since lion vile hath here deflowered my dear, which was the fairest dame that lived, that loved, that liked, that looked with cheer. Come, tears, confound, outsword, and wound that pap of Pyramus, I that left pap where heart doth hop. Ow. Thus die I, Thus, thus, thus. Now am I dead, now am I fled, my soul is in the sky. Tongue, lose thy light, moon, take thy flight. Die, ow, now, die, 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 die.
With the help of a surgeon, you may yet recover and prove an ass.
How chance Moonshine is gone before Theseus comes back and finds her lover?
Ah, she will find him by starlight. Ah, here she comes, and her passion ends the play.
Thinks she should not use a long one for such a pure miss. I hope she will be brief.
Asleep, my love? What? Dead? My dove! Oh, Pyramus, arise! Speak, speak! Quite dumb. Dead, dead. A tomb must cover thy sweet eyes. These lily lips, this cherry nose, these yellow cowslip cheeks are gone. Are gone. Lovers make moan. His eyes were green as leeks. Tongue, not a word. Come, trusty sword. Come, blade, my breast imbrue. And farewell, friends. Thus this be ends. Adieu, adieu, adieu.
Moonshine and Lion are left to bury the dead.
Aye, and Wall, too.
Oh, no, assure you not. The wall is down that parted their fathers. Will it please you to see the epilogue?
No epilogue. I pray you, for your play needs no excuse. Ah, never excuse, for when the players are all dead, there needs none be blamed. And so it is truly and very notably discharged. Let your epilogue alone. The iron tongue of midnight hath told 12 lovers to bed. 'Tis almost fairy time. I fear we shall outsleep the coming morn. As much as we this night have overwatched, this palpable gross play hath well beguiled the heavy gate of night. Sweet friends, to bed.
Now the hungry lion roars, and the wolf behowls the moon. Now it is the time of night, that the graves all gaping wide, every one lets forth their sprite in the churchway paths to glide. And we fairies, that do run by the triple Hecate's team, from the presence of the sun, following darkness like a dream, now a frolic. Not a mouse shall disturb this hallowed house. I am sent with broom before to sweep the dust behind the door.
Through the house give gathering light by the dead and drowsy fire. Every elf and fairy sprite up as light as bird from briar. Each fairy take his gate, and each several chamber bless. Through this palace with sweet peace trip away, make no stay. Meet me all by break of day.
If we shadows have offended, think but this, and all is mended, that you have but slumbered here while these visions did appear, and this weak and idle theme no more yielding but a dream. And as I am an honest puck, if we have unearned luck, now to scape the serpent's tongue, we shall make amends ere long. Else the puck a liar call. So good night unto you all. Give me your hands, if we be friends, and Robin shall restore amends.